Hi berries! Welcome to Berry Gems, where you can find your best beauty. Berry Gems is here to help you. Today is our fruit-inspired makeup. First, apply a low-saturation creamy sweet base, as usual. A generous amount of moisturizing mist. This makeup effect is truly elegant and luxurious. The skin looks like silk in photos. Then, let's brighten it up. Use this Dior product, which is also a niche brand. I really don't understand just how effective it is, compared to its lack of popularity. It's really amazing. Dior, can you see this? After the basic makeup, choose a nude shade for the lips. Now, let's welcome the 3 contestants in today's lipstick battle. Each one is extremely tempting. The first one has 2 distinct faces. This popular shade, 720. It looks like the lead actress in a drama. Long-distance nude pink with a touch of mocha, instantly transforming into a powerful career woman in the CBD. The contrasting cute colors are hard not to love. The second one reaches the streets of Hong Kong in a second, shade 228. A thinly applied, slightly orange-toned nude. Lightly applied, it's an instantly mature retro style. A small tube captures all the charm of Hong Kong beauties. The last one is also a favorite of mine. A rosy nude. Very tender and gentle. It has my name written on it. If you apply it thickly, the gray tones will be stronger, with the rose-pink undertones. It emphasizes a comfortable and relaxed lazy atmosphere. Now, let's start the tacit challenge. Guess which one I'm going to use today. Take a second to consider. Of course, it's the one with my name on it. The texture is very silky. Blur the edges a bit. This tender color, and with this soft matte effect, it's really hard not to love. Apply it thickly. The relaxed feeling of thickly applied nude really only those who apply it would know. The color tones of these 3 are versatile and skin-friendly. I suggest everyone give them a try. I think there will be surprises. Thank you for watching. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.